Have you ever been deceived by the way something looks, like a system that you saw marketed online, or an indicator that promised to make you huge amounts of money in a very short space of time? Right now we're walking through Milan, and we just left probably the worst apartment, that we stayed in this trip. The pictures looked great, price was reasonable, was all good until we got there and we saw what the reality was like, and it was stinky and feral and moldy and really kind of gross. Like, you didn't want to touch anything. It's like, not quite bad enough to want to just walk out and leave and go stay in a hotel, but almost. And look, the parallel with the markets and with trading is, this is really common. There's a lot out there that promises the world. And I saw an ad this morning for a webinar or a course written by some guy who claims to have 900 winning trades in a row. Sorry for the traffic noise. 900 winning trades in a row and no losing trades. Now, really, my response was, come on! There's just so much garbage, so many outrageous claims. And if you're not cautious or you're not aware about just how crazy and unrealistic those sort of claims are, you can really get suckered in, because there's a lot of people who are really slick marketers. Now, yeah, I put out videos and I market and everything. I don't really consider myself a marketer though, because to be honest, my marketing and my videos are pretty crappy. But my trading is good and I make a lot of money, and hopefully that, you know, if you've been following me, I've helped you a little bit with your trading as well. But I guess my message is, don't fall for the huge, you know, really impressive claims, because they're just not true. You know, the shinier and more amazing something looks on the brochure, in the website, probably the less good it actually is in the real life. So when you're out there and you're looking at courses and you're reading other people's blogs and everything, I think it's a good idea to have just a little bit of skepticism in your mind, because really there's just a lot of false claims. And just like the hotel or the apartment we just stayed in, you know, you can really be misled and deceived. So be careful with your money, be careful who you trust, investigate thoroughly, and above all, when you buy a system or you find an indicator, backtest it for yourself to make sure that it actually works and delivers on its claims before you commit your hard-earned money to it. So I'm off to enjoy Milan. We're out of the stinky apartment. You can see we're carrying a whole bunch of stuff with us. The kids are walking. We're going to go explore for a little bit this morning before we get the train to Lake Como. But I hope this helps. So just, you know, watch out for the glossy brochures and the big bold claims in the stock trading world, because there's a lot of garbage out there and you need to have some skepticism about you. So my name's Adrian Reed. This is Enlightened Stock Trading, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.